This week in the BAS disassembly hangar, we have a Piper PA-32-301T Turbo Saratoga. Now what makes this airplane really interesting is that it was totaled from a hailstorm, but the hail only hit one section of the aircraft and it was still enough damage to total the aircraft. The engine on this aircraft is only 30 hours past major overhaul. We're going to get lots of good Saratoga parts: interior, instrument, avionics, engine, landing gear, fuel systems, electronics, lots of good stuff coming from this. It will be available soon.